Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be taking down my box braids and washing my hair for the first time in almost 3 weeks. I am going to be washing my hair with Mielle's Rice Water Hydrating Shampoo, Rice Water Clay Mask, and the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. So this is that moment when you get ready to take your protective style down and you think it grew like 6 inches, so you're not sure where to start cutting at. Yeah, that's where I was. So I decided to split my hair in half, cut the braids, and then take down a 1/2 at a time. So the takedown process was fairly easy. The most important thing is getting some good shears because these were definitely not the best. I was struggling a little bit to cut some of the pieces. So I'm just taking my time unraveling each braid and then moving on to the next. So I'm just going to continue these same steps throughout the rest of my hair, so just sit back and watch. But first, can we get into this definition on this braid out? So it was at this very moment that I had to count the braids to see how many more were left to be taken down. So the key to a protective style is to make sure that your hair is protected underneath the style. So I did take my time to make sure that my hair was properly cleansed and moisturized. And I also moisturized it daily while in my protective style. So my hair is completely out of the braids and it is still moisturized, and this is definitely a bomb little braid out. So I started out by wetting my hair, and then I'm going in with the Rice Water Hydrating Shampoo. This shampoo is the first step to clean, healthy hair. The ingredients such as rice water and yuzu are the secret to not only moisturizing the hair, but adding shine and taming split ends as well. And this shampoo smells amazing, just like the rest of the line. Gave me a nice lather, had my hair feeling very clean and moisturized. Definitely loving this new shampoo. So for step number 2, I'm using the rice water clay mask. This will be my third use of this mask. The first time that I used it for my hair and for my face. Today I'm just using it on my hair. This mask is a dual purpose mask. It is the perfect detoxifier for hair and body. It is designed to detoxify by removing impurities while depositing moisture back into the hair and skin. Ingredients such as rice water and yuzu hydrate both the skin and the body. So again, this is my second time using this hair mask and I do like it a whole lot. Definitely does well with my low porosity hair. So now that my mask has been completely applied, I am going to add a plastic cap and I am letting this sit on for about 30 minutes and then I will rinse out and move on to step 3. So for step number 3, I am using the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. This is my first time using this conditioner, and the directions say to apply to hair, working from ends to root, allow conditioner to stay in your hair overnight, apply shower cap for added protection, rinse conditioner out in the morning prior to shampooing. Instead of following those directions, I went against the rules and I just used it as a regular deep conditioner. So I applied it to my hair, detangled it, put my hair into 6 sections, twisted it up, I added my bag, and I let it sit for about an hour, and then I rinsed it out. So the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner is great for protecting hair from split ends and leaves the hair feeling soft and silky. It is infused with ginger and avocado to detangle, restore moisture, and to bring life back to dry, thirsty curls. So I definitely enjoyed the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner, even though I did not use it as suggested. Definitely left my hair feeling moisturized and left my curls popping. This was an amazing wash day. My hair feels so great, even after 3 weeks of no washing. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.